Yo, what's it up, YouTube? It's your boy Yuri, and today me and my cousin at the rooftop. He's at the rooftop right now. We playing Death Rail, the most gorgeous game today, and we have our sixth stop. And I hope this is a good stop. It's my cousin. Hey, yo, cousin. Hey, yo, talk, bro.
Digo, bang.
Boom. Money's in. Oh shit. Oh.
Uy, damo cool par.
Cole?
Damo cool.
Yung mga ano lang maipangana. Nan mga call pa nga ah. Ako maka ano lang. Yon. Why na? Now we have a good loot at this. We've kind of struggled at first, but we've able to commit into a good mid start. Yeah. And this is our humanoid design as usual. This is a best design on the planet Earth right now. This is so good. Look at this. See? We got the pot. We got a teapot. We got a junk X fuel. Burn that bad boy up. And burn this bad boy up. And these coals, we're just gonna store this if a storm is coming. You know? Yes, so they can climb. And we're just gonna keep driving and driving. Like, look at this. This cute little... What's your name is? My name is Fruit. Oh. Bye. We rolling and yeah, let's go, I guess. Oh, shims. Uy. Oh. Wait lang. Wait, bro, I'm trying to wield this. Oh, kakidlap. Yon, let's go. Now we have a best defense of all time here, and I guess Wolf just couldn't keep up with us, you know? We're the best of the best in everything. Par panunog ka, par? Oh!
Stop ko?
Hindi. Manuto di, ulugin. Ano yan?
Uy, ba? Dapat isa na trap na naman. Oh, shit. Ano to? Patay. Patay.
Ang
wala na saan.
bruh. God damn.
25 kilometers na. Nice one.
And today, it's morning time. And me and Ash have a good night. Because we slept well and we slept together. Pause. Dumb zombie, par. You ready?
Ta.
Don't be bugging!
Hindi, sa kilid. Sa kilid.
Ay, bro.
Yun, wolf na ako. Ayun ka, par. Ang mga wolf, di ba nga nagpuan ba? Par? Mga wolf, hindi ka nagpuan ba?
Torture chair. Okay, let's just...
Limbo for wolf.
Kung alam par mga valuable par. Uy,
Experiment.
damo.
May iron di? Kasi silver.
Ano naman do ikaw, ma-werewolf?
May gold di kag silver.
Maybe...
Puro puno na ko na pa.
Baka. Mga ipakwa nan
May mga gold di.
Namla pa nga nan mga wipulos ba. Kaya damo pa man tatugas eh. Paunta na. Kanta ni,
Ay, gold.
are.
Nangyari pa
Tapos
di
ang
ba?
gold, be. Bro,
Nangyari pa di
volleyball.
ba? Meron yan.
Newspaper. Base.
Mayang gantuan. So,
Gani.
abandonado na.
Kanta niya para design purposes.
Ba't ang gusto bang ano?
Gani. Ibalik-balik ang dati may mapa-design. Now we're just speaking our native language. Back to my video. Sorry, I didn't pause it.
Pinasunog ba?
No? Ang ano? Ang ano nasunog mo?
Yung gold.
Hindi ang nasunog ah. Then magusto par may ma-strike ang lightning par. Pang weld par, pang weld. Ano na, balik lang dito diyan. I-welding par, welding.
Kabusan.
Werewolf. Is the arm. The rock. Ito pang welding mo na na eh.
Hindi mo butang pero ligyan na to eh. Hindi mo ligyan na.
Ang ano?
Umuwi.
Uy!
Ganda ko ba?
Hindi pwede mo weld niya.
Hindi mo ligyan. Ibang ano na to. Yung lawa sa werewolf.
Ano ning mata sang werewolf? Ibaligya ta na eh. Tanan ni baligya ta. I don't care about the defense. Why na ta kayong counter? Vampire ba?
Sugat mo.
Yung darak. Yaray darak. Putragis na abs aray. Abs ni darak. Nagbalik ka ba? Parang nagbalik ka?
Tataluan naman.
Ang mga libro ko ato anay.
Ay, ang may junk din.
Kung ano to balik. Ubusan tanglon.
Marceline. Chin.
Chigada mo siling.
Uy.
Basta parang purpose ang kabayo, parang mabalik tabla. Okay, kuhain na namin kayo, mga tol. Bang. Bang.
Ay, go! Uy, kumagaling ng story ba? Yung tang.
Kuhain ka niya. Bang. Bang. And okay guys, back to my video. Sorry, cut it.
Bigyan natin ni Banda.
Wait, I'ma cut it. Wait, I'ma cut it. And today guys, look at this. Look at this beautiful built-in. Look at this. This is the most indestructible, right, Ka?
Lantern par? Baka lantern. Dito yun? Para makita ko sino skillet.
No problem. Look at this. This is the built-in. The Rock Johnson's back, bro. This is the best. Best of the best. All of fame, all time. Not gonna lie to you, it's the best, bro. Dua?
Ha?
Dua?
Isa lang.
We got a lantern. I'm telling you, this is finna be good.
Ito natin zombie sa may rails. Apa?
And we freaking die, bro. No, oh my